Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional business proposal in Canva. So if you want to stand out from the competitions, your proposal needs to look as good as your services. So stop sending boring plain text documents because here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can design a winning business proposal in Canva that looks like it costs thousands to make. So you can do it on both mobile and PC. Here I'm going to just use on my mobile. You can just open your Canva and you can just use the keyword business proposal to search for awesome templates provided by Canva in here. Okay, this one, business proposal. So in Canva, will give you lots of templates options. You can just choose which one that's suitable for your business. You can see there are lots of options in here. You can just choose which one. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You can also see how many pages each of the templates contain. This one is 6, 10, 4. I'm going to just use this one in here, simple look. You can just click on the template and it will be open like this. So what you need to do next is just modify the template with your own business proposal. You can change the photo if needed. You can also change, of course, the name of the business here. Don't forget to fill in your about, what's your company is about, or your company description, on the services that you give to the clients and the achievement for this one, and of course the introduction of your teams if needed, and the contact info. So it's really simple, content of 5 pages, and if you're done, you can just download it in here. You can download it as PDF. It is a suggested format. You can also download it as picture or image if you want to. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.